Hey YouTube, today we're gonna be replacing the air filter in this 2001 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo. It is the 4-liter inline 6 engine, and we're gonna replace the air filter just with a stock air filter. There's an SDP SA7440, that's the stock replacement. It's a windy day out here, so hopefully the wind wouldn't affect the audio on doing this. So let's get to it. So taking a look inside of this engine compartment here, this is the stock air box. It just has this little Spectre filter sticker on there, but doesn't mean anything. There are 4 little clamps or little clips that we need to undo on each corner, and there's one back there. You might be able to see it way back there. And then the top of this air box should just come up. Worst cases, we might have to undo these hose clamps here and remove this little flexible boot just to get the top off, and we should be able to get the filter in here, take it out, and just pop the new one in. Let's give it a try. There's 1, 2, 3. This on the back here, 4. Well, it comes right up very easily. And lo and behold, somebody had already changed this air filter. This is not the Spectre air filter that was in here before. So just comparing the old one and the new one, there's not that much difference in there. This one's only been in there about maybe 10,000 miles, but it's been in there for a year. We haven't driven this thing much, so we're just gonna go ahead and replace it anyhow. The key when placing this back is to make sure the seals seal all the way around, and just reclip the clips. And that's it. There you go. Air filter replaced. I hope you liked this video. It was quick and simple. If you do, give a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. God bless.